you have been making videos in bad background, just like my hair, I don't have a good background. So if that is your own case, come closer. So here is a website that helps you remove your video background.
So all you have to do is go to your browser, you type in cutoutpro.com, you click on search. So this is also on cutoutpro.com. This is you click on it, then it opens. So what you are going to do is you create an account with them, but I've already created mine. You go to sign in, and then you click on these three dots here. You go to their product, you see AI remover, and you can remove your image background here also, or we are talking about the video background. So you go to video background, so you upload your video, and note the supported format is MP4, WebM, then move the GIF. The maximum size should be 2 gig. So you upload video. Okay. For example, once you upload the video, the stuff will just generate and remove the background. And if you want to add your own background from here, you can click on any background that you want to add from here. You can click on any background you want to add from here. Then you can download the HD. This is totally free. Also, the site also have a lot of features that you can also try. You can remove your image background from this site, retouch and so remove your background, and the AI restore here you can enhance your photo, enhance your video. So you can go ahead and try this. So this is a very great tool that I just discovered online.
So if you find this video interesting, don't forget to leave a like and follow